Oh. Harry, like, well, today is going to be an interesting day. Today, we're going to go and do some of this. We're chasing motocross bikes. Fun. Big shout out to ADZO FPV. He's the one who orchestrated this whole event. I've never chased a motorbike before. I've only ever chased cars and stuff. So it should be fun. See you later.
What's going on, son? We're here for some motocross and it's going to be some mega fun.
Wait, as you can see, we're at Schoolhouse Motocross. What? Me and Adam. Say hi, ADZO.
Hi, ADZO.
Yeah, we're getting a few packs in. Got wrong for going too low, so these shots may not be the finest chase shots known to man. We'll get some, but we'll get some decent stuff out of it, you know. And aye, there's absolutely, literally hundreds of bikes, isn't that? We were just talking to one of the guys there. He was saying there's 2 C classes with 40 people in each, and then there's like a B and an A and a rookies, and then all the youngins as well. So there's probably 500 bikes here.
Oh, there's loads of people.
But aye, mint. Well, I'm sure you'll agree that was absolutely class. I haven't really done much vlogging on this because, well, I've just been a bit really busy, like, and all, you know, getting wrapped up in it all. But that's what it's all about, isn't it? But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it, and yeah, maybe do some more of this. We'll see you in the next one.